Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study clinical psychology. Begin by grasping the core theories that underpin the field, such as cognitive behavioral therapy and psychodynamic perspectives. Next, immerse yourself in diagnostic manuals like the DSM, which outlines criteria for hundreds of mental health conditions. Finally, develop a strong understanding of research methodologies, including experimental designs and statistical analysis, crucial for evidence-based practice. This foundational knowledge is your first step. Now, let's take a deeper dive into specific psychological disorders. Choose a few areas of interest, perhaps anxiety or mood disorders, and thoroughly learn their causes, symptoms, and effective treatments. Investigate different therapeutic interventions, understanding how each works and its proven success rates. Always prioritize studying the ethical guidelines and professional standards that are paramount in clinical psychology, ensuring responsible and effective care. Moving on to practical application, cultivate excellent communication and active listening skills. These are vital for building rapport and understanding clients. Practice formulating cases, applying your theoretical knowledge to understand a client's unique situation and plan interventions. Seek out supervised practical experiences, like internships or practicums, to gain invaluable hands-on exposure. This practical work is where theory truly meets reality, solidifying your understanding and preparing you for the field. Finally, remember that learning in clinical psychology is a continuous journey. Stay current with the latest research and advancements by regularly reading academic journals and attending professional conferences. Actively network with other professionals in the field. Their insights and mentorship can be incredibly valuable. Consider pursuing advanced degrees, such as a doctorate or specialized certifications, to further your expertise. This ongoing commitment ensures you remain a competent and effective practitioner.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.